Hello children, come back to another interesting topic, that is the least common multiple, the LCM. So children, before I discuss what is LCM, let us first study about what is the meaning of the word multiple. Multiple is the product of a number when it is multiplied by any other number. For example, you can see here 12 into 1 is 12. 12 into 2 is 24. 12 into 3 is 36. 12 into 4 is 48. So all these numbers 12, 24, 36, 48, they are called multiples of the number 12. Okay? Coming on to the meaning of LCM. What does LCM mean? First of all, a common multiple is a number that is a multiple of two or more numbers at the same time. The common multiples of 3 and 4 are 0, 12, 24. This means that these numbers 0, 12 and 24 are in the table of 3 as well as 4. And the least common multiple, least means the smallest, common multiple of 3 and 4 is 12. We never take into account 0 for calculating the LCM, right? We never take into account. We always leave 0 aside. So the least common multiple is 12 for 3 and 4. Now children, let us see how do we calculate these without actually listing the numbers. Suppose I take the example of two numbers as 18 and 24. And I want to calculate the LCM of these two numbers. What we have to do, I will make a column which is common for both the numbers. I will not make the columns separately. And now I'm going to do the prime factorization of these numbers together. Let me see which prime factor divides these numbers together, like 2 9s are 18 and 2 12s are 24. I carry on with 2 because 12 is still divisible by 2 and 9 will remain as it is. 2 6 are 12. I again carry on with 2. 9 remains as it is and 2 3s are 6. Now these both numbers 3 and 9 are no longer divisible by 2. Then we move on to the next prime factor, that is 3. 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. And again 3 1s are 3 and 1 remains as it is. So the LCM of 18 and 24 is going to be the product of these prime factors. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3, which comes out to be 4 into 2, 8 into 3, 24, and 24 into 3 is 72. So this is how you calculate the LCM. And even if you have more numbers whose LCM you have to calculate, you will keep on listing those numbers here and dividing them with the prime factors in the same way. Thank you so much, children. I hope you liked the video.